In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this cute little leaf. It's a great stash buster and perfect for adding a handmade touch to hats, scarves, or home decor. The size of the leaf depends on your hook. Anything from a 3.5mm to a 2.5mm hook will work, with worsted weight yarn. Patterns for the flowers and jar are available too. Links are below. Grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. Start by chaining 2. Make the first chain nice and loose, since you'll be working 11 stitches into it. Round 1. Work 11 single crochets into the second chain from the hook. Don't join, just keep working in a continuous spiral. What it looks like when complete. Round 2. In the first single crochet from the last round, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 2 single crochets. Moving on, make 1 single crochet and 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. In the following stitch, work 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet. Then, work 2 double crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. Next, in the following stitch, make 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet. In the next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Then, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Finish the round with 1 single crochet. What it looks like when you're done. Round 3. Work 2 single crochets in the next stitch, then 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence 2 more times. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet and 1/2 double crochet. In the following stitch, work 1/2 double crochet and 1 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. In the following stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet. Now for the picot, chain 2, then slip stitch into the second chain from the hook to form a little point. Continue by working 1 treble crochet and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Make 2 double crochets in the following stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet. Then, in the next stitch, work 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Single crochet in the next stitch, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this 2 more times. Finish by slip stitching into the next stitch. Break your yarn and pull through. What the leaf looks like, but the hole is too big. Fixing the hole. The hole is an easy fix. Simply use the starting end to draw the stitches together. Work the end back on itself to secure. Much better. Work in the other end. You can also use the yarn ends to attach the leaves and flowers to your project. Work the end back on itself to secure. The final leaf. Attach it to your jar, placing it behind the flowers. The patterns for the flowers, jar, and lid are available too. If you'd like a how-to video for any of them, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more free crochet patterns.